Rice A Roni, folks. Just a little bit of a pepper touch to it. I got some peppers I cut up right in here with some carrots. I got that olive oil going right there. Olive oil, beef broth, and that lemons for iced tea, which I got right there. But we're cooking Rice A Roni Homemade. Thin spaghetti with rice. And we're going to do it. No recipe, just me genuinely cooking and be a chef, because that's what I fucking know how to do. Alright? So right there, we're gonna start cooking. How's that sound, everyone, huh? How's that sound? We're gonna start cooking right here, huh? Huh? You little puke, huh? You little puke? Right there. Here we go. Put some magic stuff into this one. You know? Here we go. Right there. A little salt. We got some salt over here, we got some pepper, we got some salt, we got some pepper, we're not fucking around on this circuit, we're doing it right, on this circuit right here, you see, this is what we're doing, we're searing it, we got vegetables here, we got peppers, we got carrots, and we got beef broth, it smells delicious already. Doesn't it? I'm fixing to be cooking this fucking shit up the way I know how to do it. Olive oil, carrots. I'm not going to let it go to waste. It was left to me. I didn't even buy it because it's left to me. But no one's going to eat it. What the fuck? I'm going to use this fucking shit up. I'm having a blast in my place now that I got. I'm trying to settle into. And I'm cooking, and I'm like, no one's here. It's great. I can't believe this happened. Oh my god, I can't fucking believe it's happened. This is good. We're going to turn the heat down a little bit. Right here, you see that? I can cook, folks. You don't know about me. You don't know about me. Some of you. You don't. And if you didn't learn, you're going to learn today. You're going to learn today, period. Because I can be a chef. I can be a nice chef. I got talents. I can cook. I'm like Emerald. I just didn't toot my own horn, but I'm like Emerald. And now we get the flavors of the vegetable going into the oil. Here we go. See? This is what you do. Right in. And put it up a little high again. But what I gotta do is put it low because I gotta break up the spaghetti here. That's what I'm gonna do. I gotta break up the spaghetti. See this here? The spaghetti. I'm gonna break it up, Problem with this is it can be so thin, it can like fucking stop a little bit. See, look. Gotta be a little thinner than that. You gotta really measure it like an inch, like vermicelli, an inch. It's hard, but it can be done. To measure it exactly at an inch. As much as I can, I'm doing it, but... Turn that off for now. While I do this. I don't like log ones if I can help it. I like to make it closest to Rice A Roni, just a homemade Rice A Roni. As much as I can do here. This is labor, folks. This is work. And I took a log walk, a nice log walk here, too. I've exercised. I feel great. I'm trying to live a new life. And that's all there is to it. People can just, they can hate all they want. But you know what? They ain't me. They will never be me. One of the all-time greats on here, you know? Look at how clean I keep things, too. I don't have a fucking pigsty. Look, I don't have a fucking pigsty. Everything's in place. You know? Everything's in place. You know, so... Alright. And a little more I gotta do here. Let's try to do it as fine as possible. Like under an inch even. Just... So I don't like it too long, you know. You're gonna make it kind of like Rice A Roni if you can, you know. So there. Stove is off. Oh, I'm trying to fucking do this. Huh? You little puke? Huh? Huh? You little puke? Huh? You little puke? Yeah, that's right, I got a drink too. You know, I got sweet water at 420 IPA. Right when I came home, I took a walk. That brown bag, they got extra pale ale 420 by Sweetwater. Right here. I got that. I don't want to drop much. Try my fucking best here to not drop too much. Alright. We're doing it. We're doing it, alright. We're doing it. Everybody's doing it. Picking their nose and chewing it. And everybody thinks it's candy, but it's not. Everybody's doing it. Picking their nose and chewing it. And everybody thinks it's candy. But it's not. And it's not. And it's not. Alright, you know what? I gotta turn the heat up high again. But it's good though, because this gets to sit in the oil and it'll taste good. Let's see, how many of these? Yeah, you know what? There's another strand here. Break these off. This is labor, folks, and I had a bad back not long ago. My upper back's getting worked, which usually balances out to my lower. Alright, so right now I'm going to put this in the rice in. We're going to throw this rice in. If anyone can see that. Alright. Whatever's left of the rice we're going to put in here. Right there. Then we got the Roni right here, eh? Huh? You like that? Huh? You little puke? Huh? Listen to me. I sound just as foolish as some of these other people out here. Right? Now, what I do is I cook rice to get the starch out of it. I cook it like this. You know, I fry it kind of prior to putting water in it. Because, and I got beans also. No, wait, never mind. Oh, but I got beans I'm soaking too because I'm making some rice and bean recipes to come pretty soon. And I got some Cajun seasoning also. I'm not going to use it tonight, but I got Lowry seasoned salt. I'm going to use some of this right here. Lowry seasoned salt. I got some of that. I got Cajun seasoned by Badia. Cajun seasoning. I might put that in the beans also at some point. See, so to everybody out there, you know, if you want to go toe to toe with me, I can put up a mean situation here. Some nice rice a roni. Homemade rice a roni here. That's right. I'm going to go right now. This is what it's looking like at this time. That's what it's looking like, folks. Homemade rice a roni right there. See that? See that, folks? Alright, I'm going to go. Talk to you later. Right here. Oh yeah. Look at what I got here, huh? Carrots, peppers, beef broth. I could have sauteed onions in it. I don't even know if I got them right now, honestly. Looks like right here. Made it myself. Right here. I got some iced tea right here, fresh brewed iced tea. On hand. See? I'm all about it. All about eating fresh. Yeah. Right. It's probably gonna have to cool a little bit. I'll have to spread it around, right? More than likely, it's hot as fuck. Good. It's homemade beef rice a roni. Right here. Some carrots. Fresh carrots make the difference. Fresh roni, you get them freeze dried little tiny carrots, you know. I cut them up fresh here. Make your own homemade rice a roni. Flour, seasoned, salt, pepper. Quite good. We'll have pepper in here too, for a little extra taste, a little red pepper, orange pepper, right here. A carrot. Quite good. Fry the starch out of it, and you're all set. I love the idea of eating fresh when I can do it, you know? So many things we eat are just so bad for us, you know? Just things. My eating videos of all time, you know, going back a long time. I know. Alright, man, I'm gonna go. Here's a preview of what we got. Homemade rice-a-roni, folks. I'll talk to you later.